Hi, this is Cian Toomey again for week 8 of financial markets. So this week, first thing I just wanted to advise again is that we do have a guest speaker coming. On this occasion, it's happening tomorrow, and it's Miss Sharon Donnery, the Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Ireland, effectively also the Chief Economist at the Central Bank. And Sharon is going to tell us a little bit about something that's very relevant, of course, which is the impact the pandemic has had on the Irish economy, and I suppose the prospects as well for the Irish economy this year. So you need to register for this particular session. It's on Tuesday at 2:15. It's going to be pretty short. It'll be over by 3 o'clock. So if you can make it, please do so. The second thing to mention is that the final MCQ is now up and available to do on Blackboard. And that one is going to be on the topic that we really have just covered over the last week and the coming week, namely market efficiency, behavioural finance, technical analysis. So this week we're going to have 2 regular lectures on Wednesday and Thursday. The first one, we're going to start looking at market efficiency, understand that in the context of what we looked at last week, namely passive investing. Understand the different elements of efficiency, what it means, and the implications for traders. And then on Thursday, we're going to look at something quite interesting, which is the area of behavioural finance, which is essentially, I suppose, premised on the idea that traders are somewhat less than fully rational, and also that they exhibit biases. And again, this is actually very relevant again for anybody working in private clients or wealth management, where you have to understand, I suppose, human behaviour, but also in the wider context of financial markets, when things like herd behaviour, market crazes and so on happen. Again, behavioural finance prism can be used quite a lot. The other thing I'm going to do this week is I'm going to give you a little heads up on the topics that are going to feature in the final assessment. Alright, I'm not going to give you the actual assessment, but I will give you an idea of what's to be covered. And one thing I can advise is on Wednesday morning, Deliveroo, and I'm sure you're all quite familiar with the food delivery service, is about to IPO in London. It's probably going to be the biggest one in Europe this year, and that is a case study that is likely to feature in the final assessment as one of the questions. So that's really it for now, and we'll check in with you on Wednesday, because tomorrow actually is going to be the session with Sharon Donnery is going to be moderated by my colleague, Professor Alan Ahern, Director of the Whittier Institute and currently Chief Economic Advisor to Taoiseach. Thank you very much.